I ordered something fun today. I'm really excited about this. It's this place called Katsu Sando. Let's see what I got. Okay, I'm gonna set them up on plates. Okay, first thing, I think cheese curry wagyu waffle fries. I'm gonna put them in this bowl. We have our bowl of waffle fries. Then we have our curry, and we're gonna pour it on top. And I think the cheese is in here too. This is crazy. Okay, let's try it. They're like smothered. It smells so good. This might be the best thing I've ever had in my life. Oh my God. I can't even explain what I'm tasting. Okay, putting this on my plate. I'm so excited for this. Okay, we have a honey walnut shrimp katsu sandwich. This is unbelievable. It has the walnuts in there too. This is so good. Okay, I forgot I got this drink too. White peach. Whoa. This is the best meal of my life. I got two onigiri. Is that how? I hope that's how you pronounce it. One is, actually I don't know what they are. So let's open it and find out. Also, how do I do this? I don't think I did this right, but we're gonna try it. Huh. I think this is spicy crab. Wait. I think this is crab. I think that was spicy tuna. Oh. Okay. Okay, I've been really excited for this part. This is a fruit sandwich. I think there's like whipped cream inside and fruit. You can't tell me this isn't the cutest thing ever. Okay, it looks like there's strawberry and kiwi. It's so cute! I'm gonna cry. Okay. It's literally a cloud. This is a beautiful dessert.